Hi guys, today I'll show you how I replace an upstream O2 sensor bank 1. The matter is that I got a P1646 fault code which refers to above sensor. If you don't know, bank 1 is the back side of the engine and bank 2 is the front side of the engine near the radiator. So I removed a rubber coolant hose from the intake manifold to get better access to the sensor. I managed to unscrew the sensor with a 22mm wrench, even without a special socket for O2 sensors. You know, it's the concept of my channel to repair a jack with a minimal set of tools. I reached the upstream sensor from under the intake manifold, as you can see it. I unscrewed it quite easily because I had interchanged it with a bank 2 O2 sensor some 1 or 2 years ago. By the way, if you want to make sure that it is an O2 sensor fault, you can take a multimeter and check the resistance of both upstream sensors, which have gray connectors. The connector of bank 2 sensor can be found between the battery and the radiator. If the meter shows the same resistance, the sensors are good and the wiring is faulty, but in my case it was the sensor which was obviously faulty. After I loosened the sensor with a wrench, I unplugged the gray connector and unscrewed the sensor, simultaneously turning the plug counterclockwise to prevent wiring from making loops. When I removed the sensor, I took a good pre-used sensor and installed it on its place. The number of the sensor is too long and I will provide it in the description to this video. So I screw the sensor with one hand and turn the plug clockwise this time. I used a 22mm wrench once again to tighten the sensor. You can use another wrench or a piece of steel pipe to make the level longer when tightening the sensor, but don't over-tighten it so that not to damage the sensor. So the O2 sensor is tightened and I plug in the gray connector. It is foolproof and it is impossible to plug it in incorrectly. After the upstream O2 sensor is installed, you have just to erase trouble codes with the scanner and enjoy driving your Jag. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and consider subscribing to the channel.